Meaning of footfall.
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 Footfall. Footfall refers to the number of people who visit or pass by a particular place within a given period of time. It is commonly used in the retail industry to measure the traffic of customers visiting a store. Footfall data is collected using different technologies such as sensors, cameras, or even manual counting. By analyzing this data, retailers can gain insights into customer behavior and make informed decisions about their business strategies. In short, footfall is a crucial metric for businesses to understand their customer base and improve their performance.